One Piece OP16 English edition by single box random number 3. Let's see how many times we're rolling our pirates and names. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and right there is 8 times to match the 8 rolls. Wishing all y'all the absolute best of luck here. Get the box on the table, get this printed, and we'll see some cards. On printer. There we go. Yeah. Hope everyone's having a wonderful, wonderful Monday. Good luck in this break, folks. Let's see what little hidden treasures we have. Teach on the 0 for the leader. Buggy on the uncommon. We got number 1 on the rare and Cinnamon Wolf number 6. Smoke Air. Prisoner of Upheld down number 2. Borsalino Swaglino on number 3, and there is our Dawn. First Dawn. But it gets randomed at the end. There's number 8 on the rare and number 7 on the rare. Yamato on number 7 and our ankle breaking Edward Newgate on number 3 for the SR. Number 3 going out to Ruiz. There's Sengoku 0 on the leader. Traffy on the 0, and Mr. 3 Galdino on the number 6. Going out to T. Baka. Now we've got number 8 on the rare, and Shiryu number 8 on the SR. Going out to Tommy C. Tan. Luffy on number 2 for the leader. Kobe on the number 4. Yamato on the number 6. Marco on the number 4. And Vasco on the 0. There's Yamato on the leader, number 9. Nico Robin. We got Vista on the number 1 and Yamato on the SR. That one is number 8 for Tommy C. Tan. Otama. We've got 1 on the Nami and 5 on the Momo. Devon on the 4, Ben Beckman on the number 2, and there is a Dawn. Our second Dawn. Traffy. Swagalino number 3, Luffy on the number 5. Still looking for some alts, come on. I want to see them parallels. There's Yamato number 9 on the leader, Bones on number 4, and Zehahahahaha number 6 on the rare. There's number 5. Send one on the number 6. There's Borsalino number 3. And whoa! That is my first time seeing that. That's sick. I had not seen a parallel stage like that before. That's really cool. Number 1. That's Bryce Peterson getting the Moby Dick. The ship of the Whitebeard Pirates. First time seeing a parallel stage like that. That's cool. That's really cool. Very iconic ship that one is. Now we got Marco number 4, 7 on the Sengoku event. There's Ace on the number 1. Mr. 2 on a number 5, and Monkey D. Luffy on a number 5. Number 5! Kuzan on 3, 2 for Ben Beckman. Say ha 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 ha, 6 and 4 on Monkey D. Luffy. Should have a couple more alts, come on. Mr. 1 on the 4, and our ankle breaker, Sakazuki, making us think we have something crazy. That is number 5 for Master Meow on the Sakazuki. Buggy the Clown on the number 1. Katarina on 4, and Buddha Sengoku on the 7 for the event. Imperial. There we got number 7 on Jinbei, and there's Ivankov. And there is some beautiful Kingdom Hearts music for y'all. We got number 6 on the SR, going out to T-Baka. Blue pack, second from the end, the one I always root for. Come on. We're behind right now, we gotta catch up. Mr. 2, and oh, blue pack, blue pack, blue pack! Heck yeah, dude. Heck yeah. Ace on the beautiful alt leader. That is 001, the number 1 spot, Bryce Peterson. Going a little crazy with that one. Gosh, man. Stunning card. I always got to point out, you get the texture lines on the top here. Camera's having a tough time getting it with the red. I mean, you can kind of see it right there, all the angled lines for the texture. Beautiful card. Beautiful card. That's some blue pack magic if I've ever seen it right there. Second from the end, penultimate pack. It's the one I root for every time. There's Momosuke and Kin Emon on the SR. That is number 2, going up to Bryce Peterson. Alright, we have 2 done. Top 2 spots will be getting some down to take home. Oops. That was not the right button. Alright, for the Dawn, we have 6 times. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And right there is 6 times. Mango and Bryce both getting a Dawn. We got our SRs for the recap here. We got number 2, 6, 5, 8, 8, 6, and 3. We've got the Moby Dick on the number 1 for the stage parallel. And then this wonderfully beautiful Portgaz Diaz on the alt leader. My goodness. Also for the number 1. Folks, that was One Piece OP16 English edition by Single Box round number 3. This stuff is some gas.